Tim Dobbins with Cole Publishing here, and I am chatting with Dave from HammerHead. Dave is the mastermind behind their brand new product, the Helium line of liners. Interesting name choice. Tell me a little bit about the significance of that.
Okay, so helium stands for heat, light, and ambient cure, meaning it's compatible with all curing processes and methods.
Got it.
With all of our resin systems.
Sure.
So we had different products that are on display here, showing that this is a heat cure process.
Okay.
This is the light cure process with our blue light technology. This is the ambient cure. All the same liner, different resins.
Yep.
With different curing mechanisms.
Compatible with all the other products that HammerHead has out there.
Absolutely.
It's a fairly interesting feel to this liner. Tell me a little bit about what it's composed of and the significance of that.
Sure thing. So it's a needle punch polyester material with a scrim reinforcement longitudinally to dimensionally control from the distance from point A to point B.
So that reinforcement is not just there for strength, but it's also helping with accuracy.
Absolutely.
Got it.
If you're lining from a clean out to the main and you want to land as close to the main as possible, it helps you do that.
Cool. Different size options?
4 and 6 inch currently, most common sizes, in 50 meter and 100 meter rolls.
Awesome. And when we were chatting earlier, you mentioned something I thought was pretty cool, that this is one of the first or the first products that's made in-house.
This is our first product that we make in-house.
Okay.
It's our best seller.
Awesome.
Yep.
So people out there want it. Another good product from HammerHead.
Yep.
Appreciate you chatting with me today,
Sure
Dave.
thing.
Where can people go to find out more about this liner and the other products that HammerHead has?
Easy thing to do is go to hammerheadshop.com. All of our products, including this one, are listed there.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.